Measuring dry ingredients. When we measure dry things, we use dry measuring cups. There are different sized measuring cups, including 1 cup measuring cups and parts or fractions of a cup. Here you can see 1 cup, a half cup, a third cup, and a quarter cup measuring cups. To measure the correct volume of dry things, you scoop the measuring cup into the ingredient you are measuring until the measuring cup is overflowing. Then, with something with a straight edge, such as an offset spatula or the back of a dinner knife, you sweep off the extra so you have an exact measurement. If you are measuring lumpy things, you can just give the measuring cup a little shake to shake off the extra. If you're measuring brown sugar, you measure a little bit differently, as brown sugar has moisture in it. Scoop into the brown sugar, then press down on the sugar to pack it into the measuring cup. Scrape off the extra. If you turn over the measuring cup, out comes the brown sugar, looking like a sandcastle.